What's up guys, Matt here with Matco Metalworks, and got a cool little video for you today just to tell you a short, brief explanation of what it is. So I had a young man from a high school here local call me a couple weeks ago and said he was doing a senior project on welding, and so he needed a sample, and he said basically I just need you to weld a box together, something like 4 inches by 4 inches, and just weld it together for me so I can take it in as a sample and you know, explain about welding. He did a little research and so forth about welding, when it started, when they used it for shipbuilding and stuff like that. So I said okay, and I thought about it, and I said, you know, what's he gonna learn if I do this for him? And the funny thing was, he said, can you make it look like a beginner welded it? And I said, sure. And like I said, the more I thought about it, I said, you know what? I said, he needs to do this himself. So I cut out the pieces, made a 4x4 box, and 4 inches by 4 inches, and I tacked it together, and I called him. I said, look man, I said, why don't you just come in? I said, come in around lunch. The guys will, you know, we won't be in the shop working, and we'll take 30 minutes, and I'll let you put on a helmet and actually weld it up. So that's what we did, and that's what you're getting ready to see. And so he left here completely different than, you know, had he just come picked it up, taken it in, and actually showed him something somebody else did. So, you know, anytime I can teach somebody how to weld, it's very gratifying to me to see somebody, especially for the first time, and something I really enjoy, helping others, picking up a welding torch and just showing them how to, you know, just the basics. So hope you enjoy this video, and just remember, man, it's very simple. Yes, it takes time to you know, really get good at welding, but just the basics are not that hard, and it's not complicated. So hopefully this will motivate somebody to pick up a welder, go take a welding class. He's looking at actually going to a program here at the local community college when he graduates. I thought that was pretty cool as well. So anyway, hope you guys enjoy the video, and maybe we'll get something else.
So do that in there, do the same thing. You need to cut that wire off. Best one you've done yet. You can speed up just a little bit. Yep. See how easy it is to pick it up, and you start getting better the more you do. You've never welded before at all? Where you go, Rockman? Y'all have a... They're supposed to be starting one, aren't they?
I think they got one, but I don't think they do building. I know they make doors and stuff.
Make what?
They make like doors and stuff. I think they just
wood?
Yeah, I think they just make it for the because we have it's kind of like the opera stuff, like how to make stuff for like plays and stuff.
Yeah.
I think they make it for that.
They're supposed to be starting a machining shop over there, I think. They're building that this summer.
I think they're
Find another one then.
A little bit closer. There we go.
And what happens too, you have to be careful. You have to pay attention to your heat. So you got something this small, if you just keep welding, it affects the way the weld will actually lay down. So sometimes you'll have to stop and let it cool off, depending on how big it is. Something this big, like this ladder, you know, 25 foot long, I can pretty much weld here and go all the way down. By the time I get back and start welding more, it's already cooled off. but you got to remember that anytime you're welding. Try another downhill. Try that one down. Save the best one for last, I think. Last one, the best one you've done. That's not a bad weld right there at all. Gonna be something you want to do, learn how to weld.
Yes, sir.
It's a hot job, but you get used to it if you don't mind it. Yeah, that turned out really good. That's better than me trying to weld that up and make it look like a beginner, isn't it?
Yeah.
You can actually tell them you actually welded that.
Because I know it would have been harder for you because because you said you've done like 20 years or whatever. It's going to be hard for you to know what all to do right and then mess up everything on purpose.
Yeah, after 20 years, your goal is to make everything as pretty and smooth as you possibly can. So trying to mess it up and make it look like somebody new.
If you can make it look bad or whatever.
Yeah, it's kind of
probably the first time anybody's ever asked you that.
Yeah, probably so. That turned out really good though, man. At least you can say you did that instead of handing them something that somebody else made.
Because I didn't want to lie to them, especially because I figured, when I said I didn't know what day my project was, just because since we have a small senior class, because everybody took English last semester, since we have a small one this semester, it's like 40 of us or whatever, or 50. And she was like, they was gonna let my teacher be the judge, and then she picked us dates, and then I had to do mine like this coming Tuesday.
Oh,
do mine
a week from yesterday.
Yeah.
Good dude. So what else are you talking about in your presentation besides that?
It's about the boat that I told you about, the building, and then it's about the first welding robot that was for cars or whatever, that weld cars together, and then like how welding is now, how you can do like dry and wet water, welding underwater and stuff like that.
And you use just a rod, you have no gas. So what the gas that comes out of that tank, if I turn this wire off, turn that off and nothing comes out, you hear that? That's the gas. So that's 75-25 is what we use, running 030 or 035, just coated wire. And all it does is protect this weld from getting oxygen to it. So you don't want to, if you, like say, like that one you did, I told you you're too far away, and it had what I call porosity. So you'll get little bubbles in there, it's called porosity. You get like little air bubbles. So that you're way out here, you're getting your arc length is getting too far away, so you're letting air get to it where the gas can't shield it, so you get air to it. Or if that fan's too close, a lot of times we'll have to shut that door because the wind blows through, so it'll blow all the gas away, so it's not protecting that weld. And then so stick welding is when most of the time you're doing structural stuff, you're out on site, you're doing something, mobile, like that big welder there, that's what we use that for. So you don't use the gas for doing stick welding. And then you have TIG welding, which is like that length in 275 there. That's when you're doing, you could have TIG welded this, actually a big little project to TIG weld. Something small, intricate, something where you're trying to control the heat more. Aluminum, you can also aluminum MIG weld, but a lot of times you want to TIG weld so you can keep the heat down. Doing aluminum and stainless, where the heat varies compared to when you're doing steel.
Hey guys, this is Matt here. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video and see that it's really interesting to learn new things, but welding of all is pretty cool. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Share, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.